Alright, so I guess that you can tell what this video today is going to be about.
Come back. You say you saw a snake?
Yes.
Coming. Coming. Coming.
So we're down here at the river. This is our little spot where we come. It's 6 minutes. I'm pretty sure it takes us 6 minutes to get here from our house. It's not much, but it's cool. It's a pretty big body of water. We've never came close to exploring all of it. It's part of the Susquehanna River. But this old 750 SS is a fun little ski. You look for these on your local Facebook marketplace. You'd be amazed what you can get these for. We got this one for under $1,000. Under $1,000. Looks like there's another guy coming on a new Sea-Doo Spark. These things are so cool looking. This is the first time we've had this one out this year. Go ahead, Jack, get on.
Up aboard. Right. Here, take it by yourself.
Jack, you got this, right? You got your favorite places.
Take this.
Is this all one cut?
No.
How's it feel? Doesn't it feel a lot better?
Let's go, Jack, hop off.
Yeah. It's just slow.
Oh, this floating dock. Basically with this ski, if you're looking just to get into jet skiing for a small price tag, this is a perfect ski for it. I mean, this thing's over 20 years old. I'm not sure the exact year. It's probably 30 years old. It's close to it. And it's a blast. Now you're not going to get what you can get out of a new jet ski out of a 30-year-old or 25-year-old ski. Obviously, I don't think anybody would ever claim to. I don't think there's any amount of modifications you could do to this one to make it compete with the newer one. But again, remember I said this thing cost under $1,000. So if you're just looking for something on the cheap, you can't go wrong. Easy to work on, easy to buy parts for. There's a huge aftermarket for parts. I'm going to end up falling off of this floating pier. Sorry, screwing with the zoom on this new phone. But as you can see, I'm on a floating dock. And he's making all kinds of waves out there. You can see the geyser comes up every so often out in the middle of the river. It's kind of weird. Never really looked into what it's all about, but it happens every so often when we're here. No joke. I almost went down. Sorry if that made you guys dizzy. That was crazy. That was a good one. How was it, Jack? Hop off. Ringing?
Yeah, it was my one.
Hop off. That was fun.
Are we gonna eat?
How was that?
Good.
Good? Just good?
Yeah.
Great. All right, that's better. All right, well, if you made it all the way to this point of the video, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit like, even share this video to a friend if you know anybody looking to get into jet skiing, looking to get a great entry-level jet ski. And thanks a lot for watching. Stay safe out there if you're doing anything like this, and have fun. Thank you.